Well, hello, all you beautiful people. It's another lovely day in Stoke-on-Trent. As you can hear, I've got a slight touch of the old laryngitis. And I've got my boot open because I want to tell you a little story, a little tale of a tenant that we've had in one of our properties that has decided he's going to leave his desk and his cupboard in the same way that we got it when we assembled it, which is flat packed. Obviously that doesn't work very well for us, but how do we save our landlords a bit of money? Well, simple. We've got another house where the landlord wanted to do a bit of upgrading. There's nothing wrong with the cupboards that he had, but he wanted to get rid of it. Didn't want any money for it, he just wanted to upgrade it. So what did we do? Rather than, spending that £200-300 on a new cupboard, what did we do? Ta-da! And it's already grey, and it almost fits in with the rest of the room. Just saved this landlord £300, because to get that here didn't cost me anything. Put it up the stairs, okay, maybe a bit of a bad back, but he can pay the chiropractor bill for that. But other than that, perfect door, perfect cupboard. Cleaners are coming in this morning, come and clean it, because this tenant was a bit messy. We had to get rid of them, unfortunately. But yes, if you want to know how we can save you money, give us a call, click the link below. Hype Lettings is where you want to be.